Welcome to Simple Living with Life and Reflection, where we embrace the beauty of simplicity. Almost nothing inspires me more than beautifying a simple routine. If you're looking for a mess-free, natural DIY laundry scent booster, this is it. There's no denying we spend a lot of time washing dishes and laundry, but there's no reason why these routines can't be beautiful. I began simplifying our laundry routine years ago when I ditched dryer sheets and started using wool dryer balls instead. But I still want our clothes, towels, and sheets to come out of the dryer smelling fresh and clean, and I'm certain you do too. That's why I created this natural laundry scent booster. It's a mess-free remedy that makes laundry smell really good. So you can give your laundry a boost of scent and keeps things smelling fresh, naturally. This DIY scent booster is easy to use. Add 1 to 2 drops of the booster to each dryer ball. Toss them into the dryer and close the door. While they're marinating, wash your clothes as usual. Then pop out your washed clothes into the dryer with the scent boosted dryer balls ready to go. Applying just a few drops gets me through an entire day of washing laundry. To get started, choose your favorite laundry scent recipe. I share it live in reflection. I'll drop it in the comments below and say hello to the freshest, cleanest scent. Thanks so much for creating with me today. You'll find everything you need, including a bonus waiting for you in the description below. If you enjoyed this, be sure to like, subscribe, and join me again for more simple living inspiration.